Working from the comfort of your home is what most people desire. That's why in today's video I'll show you some sources that you can use to make money online from your home. They are absolutely free to join and accept people from anywhere in the world. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on the screen on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So with that said, let's now begin with today's video so I can show you every step, and also stay tuned until the end because I'm going to give you multiple sources and you can get easily lost and confused. So your very first step is to come over to the first source for today, and that one is called Userfeel. This is over at userfeel.com. Let me explain to you what this website is about. This is a site where you can test various apps, sites, and you're going to get paid for doing so. The way this works is basically companies from all over the globe need someone to test their apps in order to find some bugs and problems in their apps and websites. And this is where Userfeel comes in. They are going to recruit testers like you, and you're going to get paid by doing those testings. Simple as that. As you can see, this platform is being trusted by over 500 organizations. So in order to get started, you have this get paid to test section up here. If you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to see that you can get paid $10 per each test, and each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, so you can get paid $10 per each 10 minutes, which is pretty awesome actually. This is some fast money, and you can just earn extra money again and again whenever you test some websites. You're going to see here that you don't need to buy products or services where you are going to test those websites. You have some equipment that you need to have in order to become a tester. For example, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer, you need to have a microphone, and if your computer does not have one, you can buy an external microphone, and you can even get the cheapest one. You do not need to use your real name when conducting a test. You can just speak in the language of the test. You're going to get tests sent in your native language and sometimes in other languages that you have set and fluently spoken in your profile. So you is going to determine what kind of test you want in what language. So you should never be asked to speak in languages that you do not speak fluently. So you're going to also take a qualification test actually, so they can see and verify that you have a microphone and you can speak your thoughts while completing a task. And then you're going to see some other information as well. For example, you have some rules, what you need to do and what you don't need to do, and also how much you can get paid and how you're going to get paid. So as we said before, you're going to get paid $10 per each test, and also you're going to see that they pay you through PayPal money, which is pretty awesome. You just need a PayPal account. So you can read other information as well, and once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that you have this become a tester button. I want you to click on it, and in the next page you're going to put your first name, last name, email address, confirm the email address. You need to select your country of residence, and this is available all around the world. As you can see, your year of birth, your state. Also, you can select the desired time zone. You put a password, confirm the password, how you're going to get paid. You're going to put your PayPal email here, some demographic information like your gender, fluently spoken languages, native language, family status, children status, and so on. The devices that you have available for testing from your desktop or laptop, Android phone, iPhone. So you're going to choose your device. You have some optional demographic data that you can even leave empty if you want to, and after that you can just accept their terms of privacy, their terms of use and privacy policy, and click on apply for testers. They are going to contact you after that. You can even take that qualification test and you can get started working here, become a tester, and you can get paid $10 every 10 minutes. So this was the first platform for today. Let me proceed to the second one, which is called Userlytics, and it's over at userlytic.com. Testio.com. It works pretty much like the previous website. In order to find the section dedicated to you, you just need to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, and underneath the Userlytic section you're going to find this paid to participate. So click on that and it's going to take you over to this page. When you're going to get paid to test websites and apps, you're going to register. After that, you're going to interact with a web or mobile app, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. Even this platform pays you through PayPal money, and you can get paid from $5, $10, $15, $20, and there are some projects that pay you even $90. So you need to be 16 years of age or older, agree to your terms of use and privacy policy, and you can even put your email address here in order to get started. So you're going to see that this is available all around the world, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video, and also what kind of software and hardware do you need. So for desktop test you have these requirements over here, and for mobile test you have these requirements in the right hand side. And as you can see, they do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can just download the app on your smartphone device. Over at Google Play Store, they got more than 100,000 of downloads with 4.4 stars, and you're going to notice that over at App Store they got 1.3 thousands of ratings with 4.6 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome because it shows that this is a loved platform. So if you scroll down, you have here this sign up now button that you can click on in order to put your email address. So this was the second platform for today. I have another one to show you, which is also the third one, and I want to show you and it's very similar to these other ones as well. I'm going to see that this is called test.io. So I am over at their become a tester section. So once you come over to test.io, you just need to click on become a tester in the upper corner. You're going to see that you can join their freelance testing community. So you can work from anywhere, and then this one is available worldwide, and you can just work from a couch in your dorm, or even with beach views, as you can see, because with this one you don't need to talk. In difference from the other platforms that I showed you today, you can do this even after without talking. You have here that you can earn extra money, you can test the latest apps, you can expand your mind, and you can click on the become a tester button in order to sign up. So you're going to see that you need to put your first name, last name, and email address, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on sign up and create your Testio account. So back to the page, you're going to see that once you register, of course, you're going to get approved, and after that start testing and earning money. You're going to build even your testing cred, so you can see that you can get more invitation to test based on your devices, skills, and interests. So you can become a great tester and have a lot of opportunities here to make a lot of money. You can even see some testimonials from people that are using this platform, and also test.io offers you an app on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can even check it out over there and see the reviews and even download it on your phone actually. This was it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this strategy and which one of the sources is your favorite one. And don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.